multilingual WordPress site in just minutes. Okay, now I'm here in wpml.org, which is the main website for the plugin that I use, and I think is the best plugin for this out there. It's not free, but is the best. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to my dashboard. I already installed my plugin, and I'm sorry, let's go back there. You can see we have a tab of WPML right here, and then after you install the plugin, you have to set up a couple things. Okay, now here you have a couple options. Here you can choose your main language. You can add all the language that you need. I have only two, English and Spanish. Okay, you have here more options, widgets. They give you a PHP code so you can add like a drop down for your theme. They give you options to add this little switcher to your main navigation, to your footer. So we're gonna get back here in a minute because I need to do that. But first, I need to translate my homepage. Okay, so right now my homepage looking like this. I have a dummy text in English right now, and I want one in Spanish, right? So I'm gonna go to my pages. Let's go there. All right, so I'm gonna go to homepage, and as you can see, we have a plus sign right here, and it says add translation to Spanish, and you can say there's a Spanish flag here. So I'm gonna click there to that plus sign, and now we have an empty page, which is saying here that is language of this page is Spanish. This is the translation of the home page, and you can copy the content from the English page or overwrite with the English content. I am not going to do it. I'm just gonna go right there and write everything by myself. So this is how you call home on Spanish. I think if I'm wrong, please let me know on the comments. And I have here a text generator. So here I have my Spanish. I'm just gonna copy everything and I'm gonna paste it right here. All right. And I'm done, so I'm gonna publish this page. All right, and before I do anything right now, I need to set up my menu, because now I have two menus, one in Spanish and one in English. All right, so I don't want to confuse you, because sometimes you go to the Spanish page and you don't have menu, and it's like confusing. It's because you need to create the Spanish menu. So we're gonna just create a new one here. Let's say Spanish menu, for example, language Spanish, and this is the translation of the main menu, which is the one in English. Okay, create menu, and now I want to add this one that I already created, and I'm gonna add it to the menu, which is the home page, and I'm gonna click save menu. Now you can see that we have both menus created, one in English and one in Spanish. And we only have one page created, so we can only add one page to this menu. But if we go to the English, you can see that we have more pages created, so we can add more to our English menu. Now, I want to make sure that my reading static homepage is set up. Sometimes it go to its default state, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna select static page, and my front page is my home, and I'm gonna save changes. Make sure you do that, or you're gonna get very confused when you go to your home page and you will see that is the blog page or something else. Now I'm gonna go to my WPML languages options, because I want to add that little drop down switcher. Let's scroll down a little bit here. And in here, I'm gonna click here, display the language switcher on my WordPress menu, and I'm gonna select the main menu. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit here, and I'm gonna click save. All right, now I wanna click on visit site, because I wanna see how it's. All right, so it's looking great. I have here my drop down with my Spanish option. I'm gonna click there. And as you can see, we have our homepage in Spanish. Awesome. And you can see that we only have one page, because remember, we only have one in the menu. It's the only page that we have translated, and it's the only one that we can add on our Spanish menu. So I'm gonna go back to English, and you can see we have all the options here. And it's just because that you need to translate all the pages and then go to your menu and add them to the Spanish menu. All right, now I'm going to show you how to add a switcher right in the widgets, and how you can add it to your PHP code. If you know how to develop or design themes and stuff like that, you can use it. All right, so let's go back here, and we are going to scroll a little bit here, and you can see here that we have here a PHP code that you can insert in your theme. All right, so we're gonna copy this, and I'm gonna open my text editor. I have here my header.php of that theme, and I'm gonna add this code. I don't know where, really. I don't know where. Let's just drop it right here, just a random. Let's see if it shows. I don't know. Let's see. All right, so we got it right here. Of course, I don't want it there. Maybe somewhere around here, maybe on the top. I don't know. If you had the skills, if you know a little bit of PHP and you can do it, you can do something very awesome. So I just drop it right here. I can click there, and as you can see, it's the same thing. It's going to Spanish. It's a Spanish, Español. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to add it in the widget, which is super easy. You can do it in like 1 minute. So let's go to Appearance, Widgets, and let's scroll down a little bit. And here you got it, Language Selector. I'm just gonna drag it all the way up here. And let's see how it looks. Here you go. We got the same thing in the widgets, which is looking real good, better than here in this corner. I think this is the best option, and this is a great option too, to add it to the main menu. If you have some CSS knowledge, you can maybe change the color or something else. But yeah, this is how it is. This is how you translate every page of your WordPress website. Of course, this is not the only thing you can do with this plugin. This plugin have a ton of options. Even you can translate the code, the PHP code, everything that comes with the theme, you can translate, okay? All right, so that's it, guys. I hope this helps. And if you have questions, comment below. But thank you for watching, okay? See you next week. Bye.